The ancient Olmec and Zapotec civilizations are two of the most prominent cultures in Mesoamerican history. Separated by centuries but inhabiting overlapping regions in what is now southern Mexico, both cultures deeply influenced the religious and artistic traditions of later Mesoamerican civilizations, such as the Maya and the Aztecs. By comparing their art and religious practices, we gain a deeper understanding of their unique contributions to the region's cultural and spiritual landscape. The Olmec civilization, artistic and spiritual pioneers often considered the mother culture of Mesoamerica. The Olmecs flourished between 1500 and 400 BC, primarily in the Gulf Coast region. Their art is most famous for its colossal stone heads, believed to represent rulers or deities. These enormous sculptures, carved from basalt, weigh several tons and convey a sense of power and divine connection, perhaps reflecting the Olmec belief in the divine nature of their rulers. Olmec art also made extensive use of jade, a highly valued material, in smaller sculptures, masks, and figurines. The association of jade with fertility and the earth reinforced its spiritual significance, with many jade objects likely used in religious ceremonies. This focus on earthly elements reflects the Olmec shamanistic religious beliefs, where nature and the supernatural world were intertwined. Shamanism was a fundamental aspect of their spiritual life, with leaders often seen as intermediaries between the human and divine realms. Religious symbolism in Olmec art frequently involved representations of jaguars, serpents, and other animals believed to have spiritual power. The Olmec pantheon included deities linked to rain, fertility, and agriculture, highlighting their close relationship with nature. Ceremonial centers like La Venta and San Lorenzo were built to honor these deities, with temples and altars serving as focal points for religious rituals. The Zapotec civilization, a legacy of art and ancestor worship. The Zapotec civilization emerged around 500 BC in the Oaxaca Valley, building on many traditions that may have been influenced by the Olmecs. Though developing their own distinct religious and artistic identity, Monte Alban, their capital, became a center of governance and religion, with monumental architecture, tombs, and ceremonial platforms demonstrating the civilization's artistic and spiritual priorities. Zapotec art is characterized by its intricately designed ceramics, sculptures, and funerary urns. Unlike the monumental stone sculptures of the Olmecs, the Zapotecs excelled in clay work. Their tombs were often filled with beautifully crafted urns representing gods or important ancestors, emphasizing the Zapotec belief in the continuity between life and death. In Zapotec culture, ancestor worship was central to religious practice, with rituals designed to honor and communicate with deceased family members. The architecture of Monte Alban also reflected religious priorities, with temples and pyramids aligned with celestial events, indicating a sophisticated understanding of astronomy. The Zapotec calendar played a crucial role in their religious ceremonies, which were often timed to coincide with significant astronomical events. Comparing Olmec and Zapotec art and religion, though both civilizations placed immense importance on art and religion, their approaches were markedly different. The Olmecs focused on monumental art, such as their colossal heads, to represent the divine power of their rulers.